So everyone is talking about DeepSeek R1. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and use DeepSeek R1 on our own computer. First of all, you need to have some little knowledge about DeepSeek R1. So the AI model is developed by a company called DeepSeek. Recently, they published two big models, which are DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek R10, which you can download and use for free. But to run those big models, you need to have a high-end computer with a lot of RAM. So how we can run DeepSeek R1 on our smaller mid-range computers? For that, the developers of DeepSeek R1 published 6 distill models based on Qwen and Llama, which were fine-tuned using DeepSeek R1. So the biggest distill model is based on Llama, called DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama 70B, and the smallest model is based on Qwen, called DeepSeek R1 Distill Qwen 1.5B. So in this video, we are going to use the smallest model, which some people are saying they run it on their smartphones. I don't know how much it is true. Anyway, in a hope that even a low-end computer can run this model, we are going to use this smaller model. So guys, let's begin. First, we need to install a tool called Text Generation webui for running these AI models. So let's install this tool, and also the link is in description. Open the link in your browser. Here we go. Here you can see a lot of information about Text Generation webui. To download the tool, click on Code button. A drop down menu will come up. Click on Download and wait until the download finishes. Here we go. Let's open our downloads folder. Extract the zip file. For extraction, I am using 7-zip. You can use any tool you want. After the extraction, open the extracted folder. Here you can find installer files for macOS, Linux and Windows. To install the tool on Windows, open the file called start-windows, which is a bad file. A new window will come up. It will start downloading some files from the internet. After a while, the window will show you some options. What is your GPU? Here you need to select the right option according to your hardware. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card that supports CUDA 12.1, then you should choose option A. If your NVIDIA graphics card that supports only CUDA 11.8, then you should choose B. And if you are using a Linux with an AMD graphics card that supports ROCm, then you should choose C. And if you are using Apple M series hardware, then you should choose D. And if you are using Intel Arc, then choose E. And lastly, if you are using just a CPU, then choose N. Here I'm going to choose NVIDIA CUDA 12.1. So I'm going to type A and then press enter. Wait till the setup finishes. If the installation succeeds, then a link will show up in your command prompt window. Copy that link and open it in your favorite browser. As you can see here, our Text Generation webui is ready. The next step is we need to download our AI model. Well, there are different ways we can download and use the AI model in the Text Generation webui, and I will show you the easiest method. Open the DeepSeek R1 Hugging Face page. As I said before, we are going to use the smallest distill model. Let's open that link. Here, if you go to the section called Files and Versions, you can find the files of AI model. To download this AI model, just click on this copy button. And next, go to the tab of Text Generation webui. Click on Model section. On right side, under the download model or LoRa, paste the text we just copied and click on download. Then wait till the download finishes. Here we go, the download has been finished. Now we can start using the AI model. In the top left corner, under the model, click on the reload button. Here we can set the model we just downloaded. Before start using the model, we need to adjust some parameters. So go to the section called parameters and change the temperature from 1.0 to 0.6. Then go back to the model section and set the DeepSeek R1 distill model, then click on load. And wait for a while till the model loads in your RAM. If the model loading was successful, then you will see a message that tells you it was successfully loaded. After loading successfully, we can start using the AI model. Go to the chat section and start asking questions. For example, let's ask the AI, what is your name? After typing, click on generate. And the AI model will start responding to our question. Here it says that the AI model is DeepSeek R1. Next, Ask any questions that you have in your mind. Also remember, this is a smaller distill model. Some results might not be correct. So if you have a good high-end computer, I suggest trying the bigger distill models. If you find the right one, use it as long as you want, and that's it. Also remember, you don't need an internet connection for using this AI model. And guys, if you don't like the current chat, you can create a new one by clicking on new chat in the top left corner. Also, there is a delete button for deleting a chat. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another video.